You won't make money trading if you don't know this. Watch the video until the end, maybe this is what you are missing in trading. You must clearly understand what are you looking on the chart. If you doubt when opening a trade, it means that you don't have a clear trading plan, and this will lead to another loss and disappointment. Trade the same strategy. Many of you, after another stop loss or another streak of stop losses, think they are doing something wrong and start looking for a reason why they lose. And every time you change something in your trade. I did the same and spent a lot of time thinking that I was doing everything right and that I would find the grail and start making millions in trading. But it doesn't happen.
That's a bummer. Okay.
To become successful, you need to trade the same thing every day, same setup, same strategy, no matter how strange it sounds. You tell me, how can I understand that I'm trading a profitable strategy and that if I trade only this strategy I will earn? You will never know this until you open a certain number of trades to understand if this strategy is profitable or not. Any investment requires statistics. You can't invest based on your intuition. But how are you going to collect statistical data to understand a profitable strategy or not if you change something in it every time? Isn't that stupid?
I'm so stupid. Damn it.
Trading should be simple. We enter a trade when we see a setup. I know that for many of you trading is a very uncomfortable and exciting experience. And if you always feel nervous before opening a trade, it means that you are doing something wrong. Make yourself a clear trading plan, know the setup you are looking on the chart and just open a trade when it happens. You will see how trading will become your favorite pastime and the results will not keep you waiting.
Success!
All your trades must be similar. Look at these two trades. I opened them last week and earned about 6%. They are absolutely the same. I didn't know if they will be profitable or not. I just see my setup and open a trade. For me it's easy, because I have a clear trading plan and a statistical data that tells me that my strategy is profitable, and I just follow the plan. And yes guys, I share all my trades in a closed Telegram channel, with entries, exits, risk and trade management, updates, modifications. So if you want to copy all my trades, check link in the description. I hope the video was useful for you and you took something valuable for yourself. If you like this topic and want me to tell you more about it, like this video and I will understand that this is important for you. And remember, trading should be easy.